Hello kids, today we are going to start with chapter 1 of the newly launched book of mathematics for class 8, Ganit Prakash, and the chapter 1 is about a square and a cube. So the chapter starts with a story. Queen Ratna Manjuri had a will written that described her fortune of the Ratans, precious stones, and also included a puzzle. Her son Khosnam and their 99 relatives were invited to the reading of her will. She wanted to leave all of her ratans to her son, but she knew that if she did so, all of their relatives would pester Khosnam forever. She hoped that she had taught him everything needed to know about solving puzzles. She left the following note in her will. I have created a puzzle. If all 100 of you answer it at the same time, you will share the ratans equally. However, if you are the first one to solve the problem, you will get to keep the entire inheritance to yourself. Good luck. The minister took Khosnam and his 99 relatives to a secret room in the mansion containing 100 lockers. तो ये स्टोरी क्वीन रत्ना मंजूरी के बारे में है, जिन्होंने अपनी फॉर्च्यून, जो भी उनके पास उनकी संपत्ति थी, उसके बारे में एक विल लिखी जिसमें उन्होंने अपनी फॉर्च्यून का डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया, जो उनके पास रतन्स थे, प्रेशियस स्टोन्स थे, और उसमें उन्होंने एक पजल भी इंक्लूड किया. उनका एक बेटा था जिसका नाम खोसनाम था, और उनके 99 अदर रिलेटिव्स भी थे. So all of these people were invited for reading of a will. She wanted is that her entire fortune should go to Khosnam, but she could not do so because otherwise everybody would be jealous of him. So when she was writing this will, she was hoping that she had taught his son enough so that when this will be read, he will be able to solve the puzzles, crack the puzzles and get the fortunes for himself. So in her will, what she have written? She has written, I have created a puzzle. मैंने एक puzzle बनाया है, और अगर जितने भी 100 members हैं, including Khosnam and 99 relatives, if all of them are going to answer this puzzle at the same time, the ratans will be equally shared among all. But if any one of them answers it, so whosoever is the first one who is going to solve this puzzle, he is going to keep the entire ratans, entire fortune with himself. And then she wished good luck to everyone. Now when this will was read, after that the ministers took the Khosnam and his 99 relatives to a secret room जहाँ पे 100 lockers थे. Now the puzzle says, person 1 opens every locker, person 2 toggles every second locker, that is closes if it is open, opens if it is closed. Person 3 toggles every third locker, third, sixth, ninth and so on. Person 4 toggles every fourth locker, fourth, eighth, 12th and so on. This continues until all the 100 get their turn. In the end, only some lockers will remain open. The open lockers reveal the code to the fortune in the safe. Now, there were 100 lockers, so let me rearrange these lockers over here. For example, जैसे यहाँ पे कुछ lockers को बना देते हैं 1, 2, then locker number 3, locker number 4, then you will have locker number 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on, up to how many lockers were there? Up to 100 lockers were there. तो 98th locker बना देते हैं, 99 और 100. Just for explanation purpose, I am drawing this picture. Alright. So person 1, जो भी सबसे पहला contestant आएगा, he is going to open all lockers. So when this first person will come, he'll open locker 1, locker 2, locker 3, locker 4 and all the lockers in the sequence. सारे lockers को वो open कर देगा. Then it says the person 2 toggles every locker. Now what do you mean by toggle? अगर locker खुला है तो उसको open करना है, अगर वो open है तो उसको close करना है. That means you have to do the reverse operation. Right? So when person 2 will come, he is going to do toggling of every second locker. The second locker is open, so he will close this. Now he'll go to the fourth locker, he'll close this locker as well. Then he will go to sixth locker, toggling करना है ना. So he'll going to close all the open lockers, right? Close this, then close the 98th and the 100th. Now person 3 toggles every third locker. So next is the person 3. So he is going to touch every third locker, right? And he is also again going to toggle every third locker. So third person, when he comes, he is going to first close the third locker, right? Then since sixth locker is already closed, so he will open this, and so on he will continue doing. So in the last, he is going to touch 99th locker as well, and since the 99th locker was open, he is going to close it. Similarly, person 4 toggles every fourth locker. So every fourth locker, so the person 4 is going to open this fourth locker because it was already closed. Then he is going to go to the 8th number locker, and since it is also closed, so he is going to open this locker, and so on. And then when he'll come to 100th locker, since it was closed, he is going to open it again. So this thing is going to happen unless every of those 100 people get their chance. So everybody is going to come, they are going to do the same operation. The first one is going to open the first locker, the second person is going to open every second locker, and this process continues unless everybody gets their turn. Now they are saying in the end, when everybody has done their thing, सबने अपने chances कर लिए, उसके बाद कुछ lockers हैं जो अभी भी open ही रह जाएंगे. So what are those lockers? We get to know them. Why? Because these open lockers are now going to reveal the code to the fortune in the safe. तो इन्हीं open lockers में जो code है उसकी कुछ हमें hint मिलने वाली है. Before the process begins, Khosnam realizes that he already knows which lockers will be open at the end. How did he figure out the answer? So hint is given, find out how many times each locker is toggled. So when the minister was explaining the process of the puzzle, Khosnam realized that he already knows the answer. What does that mean? Ki her mother has taught her in a well. So he is able to recall ki how to solve this puzzle and how he is going to find out the answer. And hint is also given that find out how many times each locker is toggled. If a locker is toggled an odd number of times, it will be open. Otherwise, it will be closed. The number of times a locker is toggled is the same as the number of factors of the locker number. For example, for locker number 6, person 1 opens it, person 2 closes it, person 3 opens it, and person 6 closes it. The numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 are the factors of 6. If the number of factors is even, the locker will be toggled by an even number of people and it will eventually be closed. Note that each factor of a number has a partner factor so that the product of the pair of the factors yields the given number. Here 1 and 6 form a pair of partner factors. 6 and 2 and 3 also form another pair. So now it is being said that if a locker is there, कोई locker है, ठीक है, उसको अगर toggle odd number times किया गया होगा तो what will happen at the end? वो locker open रह जाएगा. और अगर कोई locker है और उसको even number of times toggle किया गया होगा then that locker will eventually be closed. तो मैं आपको एक example दे देती हूँ. Let us do this process for the 10 lockers. तो 10 lockers हैं, ठीक है, and one by one each of these persons are going to get their turn, right? So let the first person come. जो first person आएगा, what is he going to do? He is going to open all lockers. तो open, open, open. सारे lockers को open कर देते हैं, right? जो person 2 आएगा, he is going to touch every second locker. So this locker was open, इसको close कर देंगे. Fourth locker open है, इसको भी close कर देंगे. Then he comes to 6th locker, इसको भी close कर देगा. Then comes to 8th locker, इसको भी close कर देगा और 10th locker को भी close कर दिया. Next comes the third person. So he is going to touch every third locker. Now third locker was open, so he is going to close this locker. Then 6th locker is also, now 6th locker is closed here, right? So it is going to get open. 9th locker is still open, just go close कर दिया. Let the fourth person comes. So fourth person is going to toggle every fourth locker now. So since this fourth locker was already closed, it is going to get opened now. After fourth locker, he is going to go to the 8th locker. 8th locker is closed, so इसको open कर दिया. And this process keeps on repeating. So here I have just given you an example for 10 lockers. ऐसे कितने lockers थे puzzle में? 100 lockers है. So this process will keep on repeating unless 100 lockers and 100 people gets their chance. Now when you look to all these numbers, all these lockers, तो first locker को how many people have touched? Only one person. तो इसको odd number of people ने touch किया. And since odd number people have dealt with locker 1, this locker is opened. Again, let's go to locker number 2. Locker number 2 को किस किसने touch किया? The first person touched it, the second person touched it. Right? तो इसको even number of people have touched, so it gets closed. थर्ड लॉकर पे आओ. थर्ड लॉकर को कितने लोगों ने टच किया? The first person opened it and the third person closed it, so it is closed. Fourth locker is toggled by 3 persons. Right? The first person opened it, the second person closed it, and the fourth person opened it. So what do you observe is that when the locker is being toggled even number of times, it is getting closed. जब इवन नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स किसी भी लॉकर को आप टॉगल कर रहे हो तो इवेंचुअली क्लोज हो रहा है, और जब आप ऑड नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स किसी लॉकर को टॉगल कर रहे हो सो इट रिमेन्स ओपन एट द एंड. राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाट हैज बीन एक्सप्लेन. नाउ दे हैव टेकन एन एग्जांपल. सपोज आप एक लॉकर नंबर 6 लेते हो. सो हु ऑल पीपल आर गोइंग टू टच दिस लॉकर नंबर 6? Those people are going to touch the locker number 6 जो भी उसके फैक्टर्स होंगे. So what are the factors of 6? 6 के फैक्टर्स क्या है? 1 है, 2 है, 3 है and 6 है. So the first person is going to open the locker number 6, second person is going to close it, third person is again going to open it, and sixth person is going to close it. And since this locker is having even number of factors, and that is why eventually this locker gets closed. And now they are also telling you that there are these factors. So some of these factors gets multiplied to each other and they are called as partner factors. So if you see 1 times of 6, so when you multiply 1 and 6, you get a 6. So these are partner factors. Similarly, when you multiply 2 with a 3, these are also called a partner factors. They have a question for us. Does every number have an even number of factors? क्या ऐसा है कि सारे जितने भी नंबर्स हैं उन सबकी इवन नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स हैं? नो, इट इज नॉट ट्रू. देखो अभी हमने ये लॉकर बनाया था तो 1 का एक फैक्टर आया था, राइट? फिर 4 के 3 फैक्टर्स आए थे, तो ये भी ऑड नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स हैं. यहाँ भी ऑड नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स हैं. फिर आप जब 7 का भी करोगे तब भी ऑड नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स आएंगे. सो इट इज नॉट ट्रू. देयर आर नंबर्स which are going to have odd number of factors as well. So 1 into 1 is 1. The only factor is 1. For 4, the factors are 1, 2 and 4. Right? Or 1 into 4 gives you the partner factors. 2 into 2 gives you the partner factors. So 1, 2 and 4, these are the odd number of factors. Similarly, when you come for 9, 1 into 9 are the partner factors. 3 into 3 are the partner factors. Right? And the factors overall are 1, 3 and 9, which are odd number of factors. We see in some cases like 2 into 2 that the numbers in the pairs are the same. Now what they are saying, for number 4 or for number 1 or for number 9, can you see the partner factors are same in this case? For 1 it is just 1 into 1. For number 4 it is 2 into 2. And for number 9 they are 3 into 3. So there is some meaning to these numbers. So let us see in the next page what does it means when a number has same partner factors. Can you use this insight to find more numbers with an odd number of factors? So like we have seen in the earlier page, can we find some more numbers which will have odd number of factors? So let us write those numbers. So let me take the number 1. 1 ka factor is 1 only. Then let me take the number 4. So what are the factors of 4? 1, 2 and 4. Again, odd number of factors. Similarly for 9, it would be 1, 3 and 9. So odd number of factors. Let me take number 16. So again 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So again 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 are 5 factors, right? So odd number of factors. For 25, it would be 1, 5 and 25 itself. So odd number of factors again, 3 factors. Then consider 49. So 1, 7 and 49. Again, you are getting odd number of factors, right? So these are some of the examples which we could write for those numbers which have odd number of factors. Now what does this say? For instance, 36 has a factor pair 6 times of 6 where both the numbers are 6. Does this number have an odd number of factors? If every factor of 36 other than 6 has a different factor as its partner, then we can be sure that 36 has an odd number of factors. Check if this is true. Now let us take number 36. Right? So what are the factors of number 36? 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 3, then 4, then we have 6, then 9, then 12, 18 and 36 itself. Now what could be the partners factors for 36? If I consider this number 6, so can I write 36 as 6 into 6? In which both the partner factors are same, right? So this number is getting one pair of factors such that the partner factors are same. Now let me write all the other partner factors. So it would be 1 into 36, or I could write 2 into 18, or 3 times of 12, or 4 times of 9, right? आप देख रहे हो ना, बाकी सारे जो भी partner factors हैं, they are different, and it is getting just one type of same partner factors, right? This means that such type of the numbers which have one pair of factors, one pair of partner factors which are same, then they will always have odd number of factors. Count karo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 36 has 9 factors, which is an odd number. Such numbers where the partner factors would be 1 times of 1, or 2 times of 2, or 3 times of 3, or 4 times of 4, or 5 times of 5, or we can write 6 times of 6, 7 times of 7, 8 times of 8, 9 times of 9, and 10 times of 10, and so on, right? So all such numbers will have odd number of factors. One thing is this, and all such numbers are also called as square numbers. So a number that can be expressed as the product of a number with itself is called as a square number, or simply a square. Now the only numbers that have odd number of factors are these squares. So what you could see, all such numbers are going to have odd number of factors. So they mean to tell us that only such numbers could be the square numbers where the number of factors are odd, and such numbers are also called as square numbers because they each have one factor which when multiplied by itself equals the number. Therefore, every locker whose number is a square will remain open. So from the previous page, what do we get to know? कि कुछ lockers end में open रहने वाले थे. And which all lockers will remain open at the end? All those lockers which are going to get toggled odd number of times. And which lockers will get toggled odd number of times? All such numbers which are the square numbers, right? So in the end, those lockers which are the square numbers will remain open. So it would be the locker number 1 will remain open, then locker number 4, then 9, then 16, then 25, then we'll have 36, 49, then 64, then 81 and 100. So these 10 lockers will remain open at the end. So write the locker numbers that remain open. So we have the answer now. All those locker numbers which have odd number of factors, and all such locker numbers will also be the square numbers, and hence the lockers that will remain open at the end will be locker number 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. Khoisnam immediately collects the word clues from these 10 lockers and reads, the passcode consists of the first 5 locker numbers that were touched exactly twice. Now, so passcode is also not given straightforward. Now they have a hint for the passcode that the first 5 lockers which have been opened twice, which have been toggled twice, or we can say which have been just touched twice, will be the passcode, right? So which are these 5 lockers. The lockers that are toggled twice are the prime numbers, since each prime number has 1 and the number itself has factors. So the code is 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. So now we got to know the passcode. So passcode are the first 5 lockers which have been touched twice. And what are such numbers called as? They are called as prime numbers. Right? In the previous classes we have studied कि prime numbers क्या होते हैं, जिनके सिर्फ 2 factors होते हैं, और वो 2 factors कौन कौन से होते हैं? The one factor is 1 and the other is the number itself. So all such numbers which have 2 factors are called as prime numbers, and the first 5 prime numbers will be the passcode for this fortune. So what will be the first prime numbers? The first prime number would be 2. उसके factors 1 और 2 होंगे. Then number 3, the factors will be 1 and 3. Then the number 5, the factors will be 1 and 5. Then the number 7, the factors will be 1 and 7. And finally the number 11, that is having the factors 1 and 11. So we got to know the passcode of the fortune. So the passcode of the fortune is 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. So this was a very nice story, and this story give you the concept of 2 very important terms, 2 very important type of numbers, which are the square numbers and the prime numbers. Right? Prime numbers आपने पहले previous classes में भी पढ़ा है, but now we are going to study the square numbers in detail. So they have given you a brief idea through this story about the square numbers. Now, so with this, we are going to end this video. Now the next video will be the continuation. And in that video, we are going to study about the square numbers, which is topic 1.1 of this chapter. So subscribe the channel, hit the like button and keep yourself updated. Thank you.